Chemical composition of cement clinker. The various constituents combine in burning and form cement clinker. The compounds formed in the burning process have the properties of setting and hardening in the presence of water. They are known as Bogue compounds after the name of Bogue, who identified them. Le Chatelier and Tonbohm have referred these compounds as alite, tricarbon monosulfide, belite, dicarbon monosulfide, cellate, C3A, and phthalate, C4AF. The following Bogue compounds are formed during clinkering process. 1. TRICALCIUM silicate. It is supposed to be the best cementing material and is well burnt cement. It is about 25 to 50%, normally about 40% of cement. It renders the clinker easier to grind, increases resistance to freezing and thawing, hydrates rapidly generating high heat and develops an early hardness and strength. However, raising of C3S content beyond the specified limits increases the heat of hydration and solubility of cement in water. The hydrolysis of C3S is mainly responsible for 7-day strength and hardness. The rate of hydrolysis of C3S and the character of gel developed are the main causes of the hardness and early strength of cement paste. The heat of hydration is 500 J per gram. 2. DICALCIUM silicate. It is about 25 to 40%, normally about 32% of cement. It hydrates and hardens slowly and takes long time to add to the strength, after a year or more. It imparts resistance to chemical attack. Raising of C2S content renders clinker harder to grind, reduces early strength, decreases resistance to freezing and thawing at early ages and decreases heat of hydration. The hydrolysis of C2S proceeds slowly. At early ages, less than a month, C2S has little influence on strength and hardness. While after 1 year, its contribution to the strength and hardness is proportionately almost equal to C3S. The heat of hydration is 260 J per gram. 3. TRICALCIUM aluminate. It is about 5 to 11%, normally about 10.5% of cement. It rapidly reacts with water and is responsible for flash set of finely grounded clinker. The rapidity of action is regulated by the addition of 2 to 3% of gypsum at the time of grinding cement. Tricalcium aluminate is responsible for the initial set, high heat of hydration and has greater tendency to volume changes causing cracking. Raising the C3A content reduces the setting time, weakens resistance to sulfate attack and lowers the ultimate strength, heat of hydration and contraction during a hardening. The heat of hydration of 865 J per gram. 4. Tetracalcium aluminoferrate. It is about 8 to 14%, normally about 9% of cement. It is responsible for flash set but generates less heat. It has poorest cementing value. Raising the C4AF content reduces the strength slightly. The heat of hydration is 420 J per gram. Rate of hydration. The reaction of compound C3A with water is very fast and is responsible for flash setting of cement, stiffening without strength development, and thus it will prevent the hydration of C3S and C2S. However, calcium sulfate present in the clinker dissolves immediately in water and forms insoluble calcium sulfoaluminate. It deposits on the surface of C3A forming a colloidal membrane and consequently retards the hydration of C3A. The amount of calcium sulfate is adjusted to leave a little excess of C3A to hydrate directly. This membrane in the process breaks because of the pressure of the compounds formed during hydration, and then again C3A becomes active in the reaction. The hardening of C3S can be said to be catalyzed by C3A, and C3S becomes solely responsible for gain of strength up to 28 days by growth and interlocking of CSH gel. The increase in strength at later age is due to hydration of C2S. The rate of heat evolution of the compounds, if equal amount of each is considered, will be in the following descending order: C3A, C3S, C4AF, C2S. Thank you.